is up, guys? It's Charles Vlogs, and today, guys, as you can see, I'm in my well, it's really a white wall, but right now I'm in my mom's office. And a couple weeks ago, we ordered a package for a new computer and for the office, and I just thought I should do an unboxing video of it. So I already took off the tape and everything, so you don't have to watch that part. But this right here is like the box and stuff that came in, and like all the tape over there. But this is, we got an HP computer, really nice. Get that over here. We have to, oh, there's tape on the other side too. Looks like I have to cut it. Okay. I'll show you guys when this thing is unboxed. Hey guys, so I got it open, so now it's just trying to actually open it. Okay. Now. Okay, hold up now. Ooh, you can even see it in there. Look at that. Hold up. Okay guys, so I got an angle right there. Maybe not. Okay, let's see. There. Hopefully that's a good angle. Can't really see because it's turning the other way. But oh my god. This is nice. Whoa. Guys, look at this. Look at this bad boy real quick. Nice. Boom. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna give my mom's reaction after this because she went to the restroom. Set up instructions. Now it's time to open it. Ba-bam! Dude, this is nice. Got the computer. It's a really nice computer just to come around in like a little mini computer. It's really nice, guys. Comment down below if you like this computer. I really do like it. It's really nice. Man, nice and sleek. Blue. Yep. And it has a little camera for like, I don't know, for calling or video calls. Just gonna show you guys this. And yeah, you don't really, this really doesn't matter about these things right here. Trash. So after her getting her coffee, what do you think about the computer?
I love it. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love
I have to hook it up. We have to hook it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a like. If you're new to the channel, I encourage you to subscribe and turn on those post notifications. And I'll see you all next time. Peace.